and welcome to Crazy9 TV. I am Najwa Shofa Azzahra and I'm here to bring you the latest update on illegal fishing network dismantled in North Sulawesi. Authorities in North Sulawesi have successfully dismantled a major illegal fishing network, leading to multiple arrests and a substantial disruption to unlawful fishing activities. Following several months of intensive surveillance and intelligence gathering, law enforcement agency in North Sulawesi conducted coordinated raids on a network involved in illegal fishing and overfishing practice that posed a threat to local marine ecosystem. The operation resulted in the arrest of several key individuals and the confiscation of fishing equipment valued at billions of rupiah. Brigadier General Andi Sutomo, head of the North Sulawesi Marine Police, stated this operation represents a significant victory in our effort to protect marine resources. We are fully committed to ensuring the sustainability of our water and safeguarding the livelihood of our coastal communities. He emphasized that authorities would intensify their monitoring efforts to prevent similar activities in the future. Didi Pratama, a local environmental activist, praised the police action. The dismantling of this network is a reassuring step forward. It sends a strong message that illegal fishing will not be tolerated and highlight the priority of protecting marine life. Residents from coastal communities expressed relief, hopeful that this action will lead to a resurgence of fish population and the preservation of their traditional livelihood. Najwa Shofa Azzahra, Crazy9 TV reporting.